Hello everyone and welcome to Programming Journey. I'm your host Konstantinas, and in this video we'll be learning how to create a Hello World program in Rust. Before we get started, let's quickly go over what makes Rust such a fascinating language. Rust is a systems programming language known for its memory safety, performance, and concurrency features. Rust prioritizes memory safety, addressing common issues like null pointer dereferences and buffer overflows by enforcing strict ownership and borrowing rules. Rust eliminates memory bugs without relying on a garbage collector. This makes Rust code secure and reliable. Rust also excels in performance. It provides low-level control over system resources and has a powerful optimizing compiler. Developers can achieve high-performance applications without sacrificing safety or relying on complex memory management techniques. Lastly, Rust offers a robust concurrency model. With multi-core processors becoming prevalent, writing concurrent code is crucial. Rust ownership and borrowing system ensures safe and efficient concurrency by eliminating data races and other concurrency bugs. We will touch on these and other Rust features in depth in future videos. To begin our Rust journey, we need to install Rust on our machines. Head over to the official Rust website at rustlang.org. Once you're there, click on the install button and you'll be directed to the download page. Now, follow the installation instructions based on your operating system. Rust provides a convenient installation method called rustup, which makes it easy to manage different versions of Rust and its associated tools. If you encounter any issues during the installation, feel free to check the resources in the video description. With Rust installed, let's create our first Rust project. Open your terminal or command prompt and let's get started. To create a new Rust project, create a new directory called Hello World and open it with your favorite code editor. Once inside, create a new file called main.rs. This will be the entry point of our app. In this example, I am using Vim to create the file. In Rust, we begin by defining a function called main. A function is declared using fn keyword followed by the function's name, which is main in this case. This convention aligns with many other programming languages, making it familiar to developers. Following the function name, we use parentheses to encapsulate any arguments we want to pass to the function. However, in this particular example, we won't be adding any arguments, so the parentheses are empty. Finally, we utilize curly braces to demarcate the body of the main function. The body contains the actual code that will be executed when the program runs. It is within this block that we write the instructions and logic to achieve the desired functionality. The main function holds immense significance as it marks the starting point of execution for every Rust program. When we compile and run a Rust program, the runtime system first looks for the main function and begins executing the code within its body. Within the main function, we introduce a new line of code. This line demonstrates how to output text to the console. We use the println macro to print our desired text, in this case, hello world. In Rust, macros are denoted by the exclamation mark and function similarly to regular functions, but with additional capabilities. We conclude the statement with a semicolon, which indicates the end of the expression. In Rust, semicolons are used to separate statements and expressions. Great, we have successfully written our Hello World program in Rust. Now let's move on to the next step. Now that we have our Hello World program written, let's build it using a command line tool rustc. It's fairly simple to build and run our Rust program. We'll use the command on the screen, type in rustc, and the path to the main.rs file. In our case, the file is in our current directory, so we just type main.rs. When we run this command, our code will be compiled, resulting in an executable file. Let's give it a try. Depending on the operating system, the compiled binary file might be different, but look for something called main or main.exe in your current directory and try to run it. If everything worked well, you should see Hello World as an output in your terminal. Thank you for joining me today and following along with this Rust tutorial. I hope you enjoyed creating your first Hello World program in Rust. Although it may seem simple, this humble beginning will pave the way for more exciting and complex coding adventures in Rust. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting programming content. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. This is Konstantinas from Programming Journey, signing off. Journey before destination.